I'm currently in the posh areas of Beirut, and behind me you are seeing this one of the hotels which was targeted 2 days back by the Israel. Just to show this hotel is the indication that how specifically the Israeli army targets, particularly the Israeli Air Force targets all those installations and buildings where Hezbollah and their supporters and the Iranian supporters and the members of IRG, Islamic Revolutionary Guard, are being targeted across the globe, particularly here in the Lebanon. This is a multi-story hotel building, at least 6 stories in the hotel building. Only one specific apartment has been targeted, which we are showing behind me, and in that apartment 2 people from Iran, as per the reports from the sources we are getting, were residing when this building was targeted in the night, and both the persons inside this hotel got killed in that surgical and specific aerial strike here in the Lebanon. Israel has made it clear in this war that all the Iranian interests, their connections which travel from Iran to Lebanon for support of the Hezbollah, will be targeted wherever they are. In fact, we are seeing specifically those vehicles on way are being targeted here in the Lebanon by the Israeli Air Force, which are the vehicles of the Hezbollah or their supporters. And these specific strategies show that how deep the intelligence, not only here in the Lebanon, but Iran is with Mossad and with the Israel. I'm currently in the south suburb of Beirut, and yesterday evening the building behind me was targeted by the Israeli Air Force, and now it has completely got damaged, and you can see the devastation in the suburb of Beirut. This is the stronghold of Hezbollah, and every day the IDF Air Force is continuously bombing the South Beirut. This is a stronghold of Hezbollah, and last year in the month of October, November, we have seen how this part of the Beirut city was bombed by the Israel. Then there was the ceasefire between Hezbollah and Israel. There was some kind of a reconstruction in the area, but now after the 8 days of war between Iran, America and Israel, once again this part of the Beirut city is on the target of IDF, and each and every part of this city has been vacated by the people. They are in the open fields, they are in the shelters, wherever they find any space they are moving there, because the IDF has told all the residents in thousands and lakhs to vacate from the city. Ashraf Rani, for India Today in Beirut.